back to another new video of Thamel Pigeon. I hope you all guys are well. So today I'm going to show you how I will give liver tonic to my birds. Few days ago I have made video of how to deworm birds. So now I'm going to show you why to give liver tonic and how to give liver tonic to birds. You can see that I have liver tonic of this is of Orva company, and this is Broton. So I will give this liver tonic to my birds for about 5 days, and you can see this is 10 ml of syringe. So I will take 10 ml of Broton and I will keep in this container, and this is of 2.5 liter of container. So I will keep in this, mix with water and feed to my birds. So you can see I have taken out this 10 ml in this syringe and kept in this container. So I will fill water inside this. So like this I will feed to every bird. So now I will keep water in this jar. You need to mix properly. So you can check it out. This is water, and you can see every bird drink this liver tonic. So this will help birds to maintain their liver. And why actually I have given to this bird is liver tonic to your birds is very important after you deworm. So every month you can give a liver tonic to your birds. It will help your birds to remain quite healthy. And main thing of this liver tonic is that this will help birds to feel hungry actually, and they will eat more food. So this will maintain their health pretty well. Check it out, this feed. So this is a mixed feed for birds. There are some whole grains and some millet, some wheat, and like that. So you can see what amount of feed I need to mix to give these birds. So I have already kept liver tonic in this jar also, and I will feed when I will feed to these birds, they will drink this liver tonic. Like this you can see these birds are also healthy. See here, this is actually a cross of king and normal pigeon, tiger grizzle color. You can look this beautiful color. And like this I have already released fantails in outside. You can see these kings, these fantails. I have already shown you how to give liver tonic and why to give liver tonic. Check it out, some fantails, new fantails in my loft. You can see these beautiful colorful fantails. Already breeder pair, so they have already laid. This is cross of white and black fantail, so they have already laid egg. And you can see here are also recessive rate. So beautiful fantails I have already taken out, and they are ready for breeding as well. stay tuned with Thamel Pigeon. I will be keep on updating about my fantails and every birds, how I keep them in my loft and how I care them. I will be updating and showing you guys how I taken out my fantails. So please stay tuned. I will feed I will give liver tonic to all these birds for 5 days. So thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe to Thamel Pigeon. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a nice day.